Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix your card was declined on PayPal. But before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. If you face this issue on PayPal, you just need to follow a few instructions to solve it. Firstly, try using a different card. Maybe your card is having some issues. If you're still facing the same problem, try using an international credit card. Also, try to use your card after your card issuer approves the transaction. Also try it after logging in to your PayPal account. If the problem is still not solved, confirm your card from PayPal and also try to clean your browser cookies. Lastly, try using a different browser or device or network address. You can also try to enter your card directly on paypal.me. By following all these instructions, your problem will be resolved. So that's it for this video guys. If you found it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.